Hello, how are you? This is Els coming from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today we are here to pick the July theme for my 12 of 22 journal challenge. 12 journals for the year 2022. Let's go over the rules real quick. Rules are very, very simple. In order to participate, all you need to do is complete one single signature journal. It cannot be smaller than 4x6. It cannot be larger than 6x9, and it must have a minimum of 3 signature pages and no more than 7 signature pages. Okay, so this is just a quick, easy little single signature book. Let's see, you can decorate it any way that you want as long as you maintain within the theme or the style that we pull. Your book needs to be submitted to me, your journal needs to be submitted to me via photograph before the 3rd of August. Okay? Once it's submitted, I'll give you an entry. The prize at the end of the year will be based on the amount of participation that we have in the challenge. So the more people that participate, the bigger the prize. And let's see what else. To submit your book, you can either take a few photographs and post it to my Facebook group, which is Bemis Crafty Corner group on Facebook, or you can email them directly to me at bemiscraftycorner@gmail.com. Let's go ahead and pull one and see what our topic is going to be for the month of July. Okay, we have one. Shabby chic. Now, you do not need to participate every single month, and only the current topic will be accepted. So you can't go back and do like the March one and then submit it before the 3rd of August. It doesn't work that way. You can only do one a month, and you have to do the current month in order to participate. But you don't have to do every month. That's the thing. All right, so I will be back next month to draw for our August. Ooh, we are starting to run out of topics. Okay. If you are new here and you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends, and before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. Until I see you again, stay safe. Bye-bye.